Hey Carb Dodgers, welcome back to the kitchen. So today we're going to do a quick 2-minute creme brulee. Yeah, I know it sounds a bit like that's impossible. It's kind of not strictly creme brulee in that it uses Greek yogurt, but you get a similar result, and it's yeah, very quick and easy. So what you're going to need is some plain Greek yogurt, whatever you call it, ramekin dish, some granulated monk fruit sugar or lakanto, and a brûlée torch, a kitchen torch. So the process is very simple. You just get your Greek yogurt into your ramekin, like so. Level it off as best as you can. That might do us. Then we sprinkle in your granulated monk fruit sugar. I've seen that the other types work quite as well as like Swerve and so forth, work just as well. So we'll just level that off, and we hit it with the torch. So you see straight away that sugar or monk fruit sugar is turning to liquid, which is exactly what we want. So again, if you leave the flame in one spot too long, it will burn, so just keep it moving. Getting a lovely caramel smell coming off of that. Also a puff of smoke, which I'm not sure that's too good, but anyway. So there we go, that's all melted. And we'll just let that cool. So we've given that a few minutes to cool, as you can see. Nice crispy top. When you put your spoon in, you've got that nice brulee top, and so super creamy, nice crunchy sweet top. Gorgeous. Now, is it a legit creme brulee? No, it's not, but it's super quick, super simple, great for a evening snack or a dessert, especially when you've forgotten to do something. It's yeah, it's an easy one to pull out the bag. What you need to get is one of these ahead of time, obviously. Coming up, I've got a video on making a legit creme brulee in the oven, in the water bath, and all that sort of good stuff. Takes a lot longer than 2 minutes, but it's yeah, probably my favourite for sure. Okay, my name's Alan, thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.